Hi guys, welcome in the new video. Today I've got topic for you about loaders and progress bar, and I prepared for you two examples. First I want to show you on Heroku app example. Let's go to this website, and we want to click on this website button start and wait until this program will disappear, and we also can check this hello world. So let's refresh this website, let's check this element ID start, so we can grab it, maybe take only in this test, see what I get. ID, so let's create by hashtag and click it. Let's save it, let's check if it works, go here and it is not working. Let's check ID. Okay, let's Cypress help me, because if you click here you can click on the element and Cypress create a dedicated selector, so we can click button because it's the only one button on this website. So sorry for that, I don't know why this ID doesn't work, but yeah, now it's clear. So that's why Cypress is great, because it's easy to find a problem. Okay, so now as you can see, after clicking this button we've got this loader. So let's inspect what is the element in the structure. Okay, and as you can see it's ID loading. Okay, so let's see what I get with ID loading and check if it is visible. For now should be visible. Yes, it has loading is visible, that's great. Let's check again. Okay, so now as you can see, let's find it. When this progress bar disappear, we have style deep display none, so it means that this progress bar has attribute display none. Let's reload it. As you can see, we've got this. It's too fast, maybe. Okay, maybe try again. Yeah, now we have ID loading, and then after progress bar will be at the end. Now we have style display none. So how we can check this in the Cypress? Now we can do something like that. We know that element is visible, so let's check if after this progress bar will at the end, let's check, should have attribute, and now we need our attribute is style, so let's check style, and the value of this attribute is display none. So go to this website, click on the button to run progress bar, grab this progress bar, and then check if it has attribute style with the value display none. So if you didn't try this assertion should have attribute, you should know there are three different ways inside. First is should have attribute, next is, for example, can be class or ID or something else, and the last one is value, because it doesn't work like this. Should have text and your text. So here we have text and value, but in should have attribute we don't have all class with display none, but we have attribute and value of this attribute. This is very important, so let's check. Okay, expected to have attribute. Okay, because we have class and we want to have style. Sorry, my mistake. Check after, and our test is not working. As you can see, timeout trying after 3000 milliseconds, because this progress bar is still visible after 3 seconds. So we can improve that by adding default command timeout, and for example 10 seconds, 10,000 milliseconds, so it is 10 seconds. Let's check now. Yes, and now it is working, because we waited only 3 seconds, because in my Cypress config.ts I have default command timeout 3 seconds. Okay, I can add here 10 seconds, but I don't want to have in the whole project a lot of waitings for the elements. I want up to 3 seconds default command timeout, and I can add in my test in get element. So let's add more assertion. So let's check if this element is visible. Should be visible, and contain text hello world. Yes, let's copy it. Should be visible and contain text. Let's save it. And works perfectly. Yeah, so this line of code is the most important for today. Should have attribute, style, display none. Also, you can have example when this element can disappear. So if you have example with disappearing element, you should have do something like that. CY_get your element, and you can add assertion should not exist. So if your progress bar disappear after loading, you can get this element and check if it not exists in your DOM. But in our example, we should get this element and check if attribute is style display none. Okay, so let's go to the second example. Here we have iframe. Okay, so let's do something like this. It only. Let's import this library iframe. Hopefully you know it from my other videos. npm Cypress iframe. You can install it in your project. npm install -d Cypress iframe in the terminal. Next we need to import this library. So let's import Cypress iframe, cy iframe, and we need to check this element of iframe. Starting in Chrome, loader, okay, and now we have class resp tab content active p class demo frame. Yeah, so let's copy it. Thanks Cypress for this selector. So we can use cy iframe, get our iframe, sorry, maybe copy just only this class, cy visit, cy iframe. Okay, here we have a problem because cy visit is closing here. Maybe let's do something like that. Yes, and now cy iframe. Let's paste this class. Now we want to find, and we can check this start button. ID download button. So hashtag download button, and let's click it. Okay, we can check if it works. Yes, and also we can inspect this element. As you can see, here we have area value now, and it's going to the 100. So again, let's check it. Let's check area value now 56 etc. So we can use the same like in the Heroku app assertion. So we can find, okay, cy get, find this progress bar, id progress bar, and also we can use should have attribute, should have attribute attr, and our attribute will be area value now, and value will be 100. Area value now, and we want to wait until it will be 100, and also here we need to add timeout 10 seconds. So let's check. Yes, grab this progress bar, expected to have area value now 100, and it doesn't work. Should have attribute area value now, but never found it. But it looks like we need more timeout. Let's for example add 15 seconds, and let's check it. Okay, still we have problem here. Let's rerun this test. Let's inspect. Okay, ID progress bar. ID. Okay, I think we need also grab this iframe. Grab this iframe, then use find. That's why I don't like iframes, because it can be problematic. Let's check now. Find progress bar. Yes, and we can see, as you can see, it works perfectly, but when we reload, Cypress has problem here because expected to have value store, but the value was, for example, 56 etc. So now we can see that we are checking good element, but value was not 100 when Cypress find this element. So it's all for today, I think. So remember, the most important from this lesson is should have attribute, value, attribute, should have attribute, then add attribute like class ID etc, and then value of this attribute. So thanks a lot for today, guys. Hopefully you are a subscriber of this channel. If not, I recommend to add subscribe, to add like, maybe type some comment. So thanks a lot and see you in the next lecture. Bye!